cleaning the ceiling fan.
No, not something. I've been saying it, don't you? Don't you? Start something. Oh, I think it's doing good job today.
Mm-hmm.
Just today. Just right now.
Anyways, just today, I go to work all the time. Anyways,
Anyway, you know you have a short fiance.
I bring money home to you.
You know you
spend
have
it.
a short fiance,
Yes.
like you always talk.
And
Okay?
I bring
Shut
money home to you.
up.
I'm sorry.
I'm freezing! Hello, lumabas ka na dyan sa loob.
Baby.
Ang tagal mo na sa loob.
Baby buwang. Baby buwang buwang.
I'm freezing, my hands is freezing, OMG.
Your hands are freezing. Because
Hey.
you're used to being in the Philippines, that's why it's warm.
You don't know what I'm doing.
You're touching freezing my stomach.
No, not the stomach.
You don't make me fall.
It's cold.
What do you think I got balance?
Baby,
Come out.
I think pag lumabas ka sa tiyan, you're already in grade 6 like ko. It's been a long time that you're inside of this tummy.
Get out.
Yeah, right. I'm freezing. Good job. Move. The other one. There. There, two. Faster. OMG, you're so slow. Move. Fast.
Cállate. There's no hurry.
Goita la boca.
That's it.
Sure? That's clean?
Yes.